Bago ako kapansin na, oh shit, bago ako kapansin na wala na project siya into CRS. So, yeah, what ako, taas-taas kasi siya na process. So, remove na po ni nato, kay danata. Tas for highways, i-filter nato siya, click highway, tas not in parentheses, and don't forget to click all para magawas tanan highway paths na makita sa pagadian. So, dapat dili footway, dili path, and dili unclassified ang imong highway. So, okay. And then we go out here, export, save features as, press here, then highways in Pagadian. Save, okay. Dapat ma-change ni daan para mas dali mo kinabuhion niya i-change ni daan. Para di ka bantay sa mga i-change na lang daan. So, delete this. Move layer. So, for the first one, ato ang i-make sure na atong commercial is near schools. And the schools here, they are the same color, so we'll change them. So, schools is red. Commercial is, so, blue. And restaurants is yellow. So, for here, gusto ta atong schools is basta commercial ang last nato. So, ato ang first buhatan is the highways and the schools. So, but in order to do that, since pag atong i-geoprocessing kay degrees man, dapat naka-meter siya. So, go to processing toolbox, then type in reproject. Under vector general, naa na diri imuhang reproject layer. So, for everything here, kay wala man siya naka-EPSG 32651, ato ang i-change. Pero since maglibog mako, isa-isahon na nako siya. Yes, isa-isahon na ko name. Kalimut na po gani ko unsa taong ipindot. So, commercial tong first na reproject. Reprojected commercial. Okay. So, mag-reproject na po highways. Okay man highways. Ano na ko pangalan na. Highways. Then, kaning isa, I believe, kay, sabi, restaurants. Okay, restaurants ang una ko. Sanang brown. So, kaning brown na projected restaurants. Then, last is schools. Itong i-project. Projected. Shit. Gutom lagi ko yata. Man siguro. Run. So, projected na siya into schools. New layer. Again, wala na ko siya gi-save kinahanglan nimo siya i-save para magpabilin siya. Maaha siya. Paano i-remove sa highway? So, magsugod na ta here. Pag-una ta sa schools. Ay, sa highway. Ang highway, usually, ako ang gigamit ron para medyo di na kayo sakit sa mata is 10 meters. But that depends on what you want. So, of course, we inputted 10 meters, and don't forget to press, oh shit, did I do something wrong? 2 magod na meter limit 2. Then, don't forget to check the result para hindot kay siya. So, this is your highways. And then, for your schools, kay dapat, rename na to niya. Rename sa na to. Buffer, highway. Save ya pa siya. Then, save ng gihapon. Atong unahon lang diri is ang buffer highway o buffer school. Ang school guro kay ato arang 100 or maybe 200. 200. Yeah, this is our result to run. So, this is your school and your kanang buffered highway. After that, atuan na dayon siyang i-intercept.